when using the cursors, it's also possible, for example, to generate a new trace based on this one and only keep the part of a trace you are looking for, you would like to work on, and remove all the events you are not interested in. To do so, you can select the region of the trace you would like to keep by positioning two cursors, and then use the crop feature of the viewer in order to generate a new trace based on the original one, and only keep the part of the trace you would like to work on. In addition with this, it's also possible, of course, to use other features of the viewer here. So I did not mention it yet, but you can zoom in, zoom out when using those icons. You can also select rearrange the zoom automatically when using this icon. It's also possible to change the unit use for the timing information. Here right now we are using the seconds. It's also possible to use clock cycles. Finally, it can be also useful to directly share, for example, or take a screenshot of a part of a trace for working of colleagues for debugging purposes. You can take a snapshot directly when using this icon here and store the picture on the location you would like. It's also possible to export the trace into a CSV or Excel file format that will contain all the command and answer from the trace, as well as the timestamp and the bytes which has been exchanged. Last but not the least, I did not mention yet, but when using the detail grid, it's also possible to look for a specific event just by using the filtering feature here, which allow me, for example, to look for the cell res answer from the IUT that we will analyze now.